All right, here we are on the way to Lamar Valley and our first herd of bison I've run across. Must be about 20 of them there. Got some young with them and everything. You definitely don't want to get too close to these guys. They'll knock you on your butt. Somebody else will take a picture of you, put you on the Darwin Awards. But actually just got a tip from a guy. Oh look, another herd right down the road. Just got a tip from a guy at the gas station that said about 5 miles down there's a dead bison behind a turnoff. And there's been some wolves feeding on it, so I'm going to try to head there and see if we get any luck with a wolf. Alright, if you like these videos, please subscribe and share.